Today we're going to begin the end of chapter 2. This is over macromolecules. So last time we listed the 4 macromolecules, so now we're going to go in a little bit more depth about macromolecules. I do want to say that there is on the Moodle, there is a fill-in-the-blank note page that we will be filling in, so you might want to print that off so you can kind of follow along. The questions will be popping up here, and then we'll be filling out a chart as well, so just for you'll kind of keep up with that. So let's go back to the PowerPoint. So something you need to understand is what an organic compound is. Organic just means that it has carbon really and hydrogen in it. It sometimes has phosphorus and nitrogen also, but the key components that all organic compounds have is carbon and nitrogen. And then we have the difference between a monomer and a polymer. So I won't stay here long enough for you to write those. You can always pause the video or get this from the PowerPoint, which is also uploaded. But a mono means one, so that's going to be one single organic molecule, like glucose is a monomer. If you take a bunch of monomers together and stack them, you get a polymer. Poly means many. So glycogen would be an example of a polymer, many of them stacked together. And so we're going to go over each type, but before that we need to get some vocabulary of what is dehydration synthesis and hydrolysis. If you're dehydrated, that means water has been removed from your body. So it is the removal of water, dehydration. Synthesis means to make. So if you make something, you're combining those monomers to make polymers. So you take the water out and it forces the 2 or more monomers to come together and make a polymer. Hydrolysis is hydro means water, lysis means break down or break apart, and so hydrolysis would be you actually adding water in and causing the polymer to break down into the monomers. So this would be like glucose coming together to make glycogen, and this would be like glycogen breaking down to make glucose. So those are some vocabulary that's on that note page that I would like you to know. I also like you just to review concept that dehydration, so we are removing water, but they're combining and making, so one is coming together to make many. So when you're making, that is anabolism. My pen is writing kind of strange today. And then if you were to break down, remember that's catabolism. An example, remember ants build things up and cats break things down. So those are examples of those words. So I've got some little animations to show you. So here would be an example of a monomer, and then this is a monomer, and they're getting ready to come together and join. So right now they're separated because there's a plus sign here. So this, we're about to take this and make water. It's going to come out, and these two guys are going to join. So we're going to remove the water molecule, and then these two monomers are going to join together and make this polymer here. See, they're joined now by this oxygen, and water has come out, water being H2O. Dehydration synthesis. Hydrolysis would be taking this polymer and water comes in and basically causes it to break up. So it is the opposite. So we're going to see that it's going to now separate, and you're going to get, so this is a polymer, these are monomers, now a polymer. I'm not going to make you identify the chemical things. I just want to show you because I know some of you don't have a comfort with the chemistry part of it.